your hair through. So this will be on your neck right there. That's good. Okay, good. And this will go below your chin. Adjust this further. Good. So you have to engage your core a bit longer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Recover. Up. Breathe in and out. Again.